Hey friends, welcome back to Learning English Easily. Today's topic is super helpful, especially if you ever forget words while speaking English. Do you sometimes get stuck? The word is right there, but you can't say it? Don't worry, you are not alone. And the good news is, I'm here to help you. In this video, I'll share 10 easy and powerful tips to help you remember words quickly when you speak English. Tip number 1. Think in English. Stop translating from your language. It slows your brain down. Instead, think in simple English sentences. For example, if you see the sun, say, "The sun is bright." Try this every day. Your brain will become faster and smoother. Tip number 2. Use simple words. If you forget a difficult word, it's okay. Just say it in an easy way. Forget delicious? Say very tasty. Forget huge? Say very big. Simple is smart. Tip number 3. Speak every day. Speak with friends, with family, or even to yourself. Try looking in a mirror and talk for just 2 minutes. Pick any topic. What did I do today? The more you speak, the stronger your memory becomes. Tip number 4. Learn words in sentences. Don't just memorize one word. Learn how to use it. Like, the sky is beautiful today. This makes remembering and speaking much easier. Tip number 5. Use flashcards. Write the word on one side and a picture or meaning on the other. Review for 5 minutes daily. Just like brushing your teeth, it becomes a powerful habit. Tip number 6. Watch, listen in English. Your brain learns faster with sounds. Watch videos, listen to songs, use subtitles. The more you hear, the more you remember. Easy, right? Tip number 7. Repeat. Use new words. Learn it, then say it out loud 5 times. Use it in 3 different sentences. Example, this movie is exciting. My day was exciting. Learning English is exciting. Now your brain won't forget it. Tip number 8. Stay calm. If you forget a word, don't panic. Just explain it another way. Can't remember umbrella? Say, something we use when it rains. People will understand. Keep going. Tip number 9. Write more. Start a diary. Write 1 sentence a day. It could be, today I went to the market. Writing helps you speak better. Trust me. Tip number 10. Connect words with images. Your brain loves pictures. See an apple? Say apple. See a chair? Say chair. This is a quick and powerful memory trick. And that's it. These are 10 easy tips to help you remember words when you speak English. Which tip was your favorite? Do you forget words when speaking? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an English tip. This is Eddie from Learning English Easily. Keep smiling and keep speaking. Bye for now, and happy learning.